So I've been coding for over a month. These are 3 things I want to tell you. So the thing number 1 is failure. The more you fail, the better you're getting. Failure is not your enemy, it's your friend. Because we don't really like to struggle. Our brain likes only codey things. That's why we don't like if we fail. But the main thing is failing and learning from it, not just failing, because it makes literally no sense. And the more you fail, the better it is. The gap between you and an AI engineer or a web developer is that the web developer went through thousands of millions of failure, but you not, and that's basically the gap. They went to the failure and they've learned something out of this. So after each failure, you gotta learn something to expect your results. Because if you wanna fail and you won't learn anything from it, what's even the point of coding? So fall as much as you can, just as much as you can. As much mistakes you make, the better you're getting, and the more memory you're building into your brain, and the more better you're getting, because you're failing and trying over and over and over again. That's really important. That's what I've realized during my coding journey. Number 3, S. Stick to one thing, right? You don't want to go to the fog and learn some sort of things that you don't even need what you want to achieve. First, you want to have what you want to achieve. Then you have to create a map or ask ChatGPT what you can do. Ask for a map, what you have to do step by step, and learn one thing at a time. Because if you will learn thousands of hundreds of things, that makes literally no sense, and you will be so confused after it. But if you learn only one certain thing per time, that would be a huge advantage. Just trust me. Learn one thing instead of millions of others, right? If you want to learn HTML, then learn only HTML until you can code in it without looking on ChatGPT or whatever tips you're using this for. And the number 3, that would be AI. This is a huge topic. From the beginning, I asked myself, why should I code if AI can code for me, right? What's even the point of coding? But then I understood that AI is not the best thinker, to be honest, and it can think only if you ask it. It cannot think without an input, right? And that's the gap, basically. And for now and never, there will be a problem for us. So AI can only take input and create output, but we can. Human are not knowing how does it work, but we can just create output without any input. We can just think and do. But AI, it needs certain voice message or text message to be able to work. But we can just work, think, analyze problems without an input, if you know what I mean by that. And if you look at this picture right now, this is how the setup looked 5 years ago, without AI, without ChatGPT. And in this picture, you see how it looks now. So AI is now on every screen. Every single developer has an assistant with which you can pretty much do anything, and that's why it's so helpful. So AI was created to help, not to replace us in this particular job, which is coding. We work with AI. AI does not work. AI is working for us and not we working for AI. That's pretty important. So if you have some sort of excuses of AI or whatever you have for an excuse to not to go and code, it's not really excuse. It's just not reality, right? AI won't replace a web developer, right? Web developer is much smarter. It understands some sort of point which AI will never understand. AI will be smarter, but without a text input or a voice message, it won't work at all. We, as humans, we can sit and think, and this thinking, it comes without input. Like it It's in your brain. It's, I wanna go eat. Finish. AI needs a response or an answer, right? A message. But we don't actually need it. And that's why it's so important to make AI as a friend and learn with it instead of letting it do it thing which is not really understandable if you don't know how to code, and which is not really sustainable, because you have to work with AI. Human powered by AI, not AI powered by human, right? That's how it is. So keep learning with AI and learn from failures, and just assist yourself with that beautiful tool. So use it as an advantage and not as an excuse. This is really important. So this is what I realized for over a month of coding. The more I felt, to be honest, the more I learned, the more I built my memory, then better it gets, to be honest. Like, the more then better. And the more I felt, the more, like, how should I explain? The more I felt, the more I come up with ideas, and I kind of improve my solving problem skills, to be honest. Like, this problem, I have to replace this. Oh, let's try that. Oh, I tried 50 times. Oh, it does not work. Let's ask ChatGPT. Then let's override it. And then just basically learn every single line. Ask ChatGPT, learn from it. Take it as an advantage and not as an excuse. So this is what I realized for over a month of coding. So this is what I realized for over 1 month of coding. If you would subscribe, it would be really appreciative, and leave a like, it would help. Have a nice day. Bye bye.